Want your money back exactly when you need it? That's what bond laddering helps you do. Bond laddering means dividing your investment across different time periods based on your needs. For example, if you have 5 lakhs rupees, invest 2 lakhs rupees in a 2-year bond, another 2 lakhs rupees in a 3-year bond, and the rest in a 4-year maturity. So instead of waiting for all your money at once, you receive it step by step when you actually need it. This is the core idea of bond laddering. Match your investments with your future needs. Now, here's how you can create your bond ladder on the fixed income. Click on the bond laddering button displayed on the top. Now click here to create your bond ladder. First, decide how much you want to invest and when you may need the money. Choose the maturity timelines in which you want your invested amount back. Next, select bonds from issuers to spread your investment. Review your details and complete your investment easily. As each bond matures, you receive your invested amount at the planned time. You can reinvest it or use it for your needs. Invest with a plan. Get your money when you need it. Create your bond ladder with the fixed income.
Fixed returns do not constitute guaranteed or assured returns. Investments in corporate debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to credit risks, market risks, and default risks, including delay and/or default in payment. Read all the offer-related documents carefully.